Hi there, Michael Wild again with your estate planning tip of the week. Well, the NFL draft is almost upon us. Everyone's excited. Time to pick out who we're going to pick for each team, for each position. The local team down here, the Miami Dolphins, tends to pick incorrectly, tends to pick quarterbacks that shouldn't play quarterback, running backs that shouldn't play running back, offensive linemen that shouldn't play offensive line. Don't make that same mistake. You need to pick the right people to play the right positions in your estate plan. What do I mean by that? Well, power of attorney. This is a person that's making financial decisions for you when you can't make them for yourself. So don't pick a person that's filed bankruptcy 4 times. Pick a person that would make the same decisions you would make if you were able. Healthcare surrogate. Don't pick someone to make your medical decisions that doesn't agree with you as to what decisions you would make. Don't pick a person who has a religious difference and wouldn't pull the plug even though you want them to, or wouldn't agree to blood transfusions or anything like that because of their religious beliefs or their personal beliefs, and don't let them put those on you. You need to pick someone who would make those same decisions for you that you would make if you were able, for both healthcare decisions and for financial decisions. So it may be the same person, maybe 2 different people, depending on, if you have a nurse in the family, a CPA in the family. But more importantly, after you die, or maybe not more importantly, but equally as importantly, after you die, who is going to make sure your wishes are upheld? Don't pick a pushover. Don't pick someone that either doesn't agree with the restrictions you've put in your will or your trust, or is so weak that they won't follow them, they won't uphold them. It makes no sense to put a restriction in your trust as to what the beneficiaries can or cannot do, and then pick someone who won't uphold them. And also, don't pick the beneficiary themselves if you're restricting them. Don't let the fox guard the henhouse. Don't say my son only gets $10,000 per month, but then say my son is in charge of all the money. Doesn't make sense. Pick an attorney, a CPA, a trust company, a bank, or a friend or a relative that's going to be strong enough to stand up to the beneficiaries, to uphold those restrictions, to make the right decisions. Remember, you won't be there to clarify your intent. The documents have to be drafted the right way. They have to be clear, concise, not vague at all, and they have to have the right people, the right trustee, the right executor, the right positions being filled. Don't make the mistake so many NFL teams make. Fill the positions with the right people. I'm Michael Wild, and that's your estate planning tip of the week.